Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever heard of Kalshi? It's a platform where you can trade on real world events like politics, inflation, and even weather. Sounds cool, but is it actually worth using or just another complicated gamble? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to show you the exact process. Links in the description. Now, Kalshi is a federally regulated exchange, which already makes sense, or makes it more legit than a lot of shady platforms out there. It's designed for people who want to bet legally on events instead of stocks. Think, will inflation rise this month, or will Taylor Swift drop a surprise album? On Trustpilot, Kalshi holds a 4.2 star rating from 91 reviews, with users saying it's easy to use and pretty transparent. That said, some people reported issues with funding and withdrawals, so it's not all smooth sailing. For the final verdict, Kalshi isn't a scam. It's legit and even CFTC regulated, but it's definitely not for everyone. If you like predicting trends and want a kind of trading, it could be fun. If you're just casually curious, maybe skip it or start very small. Have you tried Kalshi? Drop your experience in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe for more quick, no BS reviews.